Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Let's have a look at a very direct problem. That is problem 1265, print immutable linked list in reverse. So in this video, we are going to share a solution by doing API calls and doing the recursion. So this is actually just following the main statement of the problem. So let's first look through the statement and then write a short code fast. So we are given an immutable linked list, so we are required to print out all values of each node in reverse with the help of the following interface. The interface name is immutable list node. So, we need to use the following functions to access the linked list. So the two functions or the methods given is one is print value, so we print out the value of the current node. Another one is return the next node. So the input is only given to initialize the linked list internally. So we must solve this problem without modifying the linked list. So in other words, we must operate the linked list using only the mentioned APIs. So here are three examples. Let's look through example 1. So in this one, the linked list is represented by the header node 1, and after reverse by doing the printing, so what we get is 4, 3, 2, 1. So the additional constraint is that the length of the linked list is in between 1 and 1000, and the value of each node in the linked list is in between -1000 and +1000. So that's the main requirements or assumptions in this problem. So as we mentioned, so the method is very straightforward. Just follow the problem statement. So let's do this. First, let's look at the function signature here. So the return is none, right? So we just need to print out the result. So the given is a representation of the linked list, that is hide. So first, because we are going to solve using recursion, let's first look at a base case, that is if not hide. So in this case, we just need to return or stop. So that's one case. So if there were a genuine hide or not null hide, so what we're going to do is that we can do a self call for this function. So that is self print, because this function returns null, so we just need to call this function directly. So what we are going to call is to apply to hide next, right? So we're going to use get next. So this is the function here we're going to call. So once this done, actually what we're going to do is that for the hide, we're going to call this print value method. So that's it, I guess, for this problem. So let's do a special case check first. Yeah, it passes the first example. Now let's do a generic case check. So it passes all the generic cases. So I guess that's about it for this specific solution. So notice the print order. So here we print this out first, and then we do the hide. So if we put this line in front of this self call, so we're going to print the things in a sequential order. So this actually has some similarity when we do in order, post order, or pre-order traversals of binary trees. So depends if we use recursion, depends on how we put the order of the root value. So we get the corresponding order of traversals. So with that said, I guess that's about it for this video. Thank you very much.